In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix and install Asphalt 8 car racing game app on your Android smartphone from Google Play Store. So if you are experiencing this challenge, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to fix this problem, you need to go ahead and first look for Play Store. Make sure first you are logged in with your Gmail to be able to install this app. However, if you are logged in with Gmail, searched for the app, but you couldn't install it, then follow the second method, and that is come back to Play Store and tap on your profile icon here on your email, and under it, scroll down to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and tap on preference networks, and under this, choose the first option, app download preference, and choose the first option here over any network. By selecting this and then clicking on OK, this will make sure that you can download this game app via any network that you are connected on. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and again come back to your Play Store and long press on it to access the app info page. So here you should find app info, or if you can see app info, you should see the name of the app here, or a settings gear. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will take you to the app information page. From this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache. So by clearing Google Play Store cache, you'll be able to fix any issues that might be affecting your apps not being downloaded. Once you're done, now go ahead and restart your smartphone, and then go ahead and open Play Store, search for your game, and now if you search for your game, go ahead and tap on install here, and now you should be able to install your Asphalt 8 car racing game. So that's how you can install Asphalt 8 racing game on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.